Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. When you make your account private, only your followers can see your post. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, open Instagram app. Then tap on profile icon. Then you can see three lines on the top right side. Tap on it. Then settings. Then tap on privacy. Here you can see private account. Just click to enable it. Okay, it says only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. Also, this won't change who can tag, mention or message you. Okay, tap on switch to private. Now your account is private. Also, if your account is a business account, you need to do few additional changes. Let's see how to do that. Now I am on Instagram business account and I'm going again along same path as previous. Click on profile icon, then tap on three lines, settings, privacy. You can see here private account. Tap on it to enable. But here it says business accounts can't be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. Now you need to convert this business account to a personal account. Let's see how to do that. Click on OK and go back. Then you can see here account. This option is under settings. Tap on it. Then scroll down. You can see here switch account type. Tap on it. Then select switch to personal account. Again tap on switch to personal account. Okay, now account is converted to personal one. Now again tap on privacy. And now you can enable private account. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel.